Okay, good afternoon guys. I just thought I'd make a quick little video about the Cortina Mark 1 from Autoart. Basically describing the detail that it has and I suppose whether it's worth to buy or not. Starting off, I think Autoart are the only brand that do make the Cortina Mark 1. Which is an added benefit, so they are getting quite rare nowadays. It definitely is a future investment. If you open the bonnet, you'll see a very detailed engine. There is also a little piece here that will keep the bonnet open once you undo the screw at the top, if you wanted to display it with the bonnet open. All four wheels roll and rotate, as in steering will work as well. Mine are a bit squeaky for some reason. Moving on to the interior. Again, it's what you'd expect from Autoart. It's a very detailed interior. I suppose you get what you pay for at the end of the day. It's not got anything like these cheaper brands have. And is just an overall really nice model, I suppose. Taking a look at it from behind, again very detailed. The boot does also open. To find a spare wheel in there. And then this is just of the car overall. Personally, I would definitely recommend buying one of these. Whether you're a Cortina fan or not, I suppose, it is, like I said before, it is definitely an investment here. Like any Autoart models, they do only ever increase in value, and I suppose if you do want to invest in something, this is definitely one of the ones that I would personally invest in. So yeah, give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. I thought I'd start my YouTube channel, so here we go, let's see how this goes. Thanks for watching guys.